Welcome to part 2 of our tree fluffing videos. If you missed part 1, be sure to head back and check that out. It'll be linked below. Much of what we're going over today will be building on that. So, the trick to making your tree appear its absolute best is to fluff each branch. You'll do this by taking each sprig and opening it up to make it appear fuller. You'll start on the interior and work your way out. When you reach 2 sprigs, you want to arrange them in a V formation. As you do this, do your best to space them out evenly. This will help your tree appear its fullest. When you reach 3 sprigs, you want to create a W shape. You'll do this by putting 2 branches out and 1 up. Keep on going until the end of the branch, where you'll take the remaining sprigs and point them out, creating a star-like shape. You'll be creating the same pattern on each branch throughout the tree. Keep in mind the time it takes to fluff a tree will vary on the size, meaning larger trees will take longer and shorter trees will be much quicker. And now, we're going to apply a similar method to our wreaths. Much like before, we're going to straighten out each individual sprig and work our way around to achieve a desired look. We hope we helped answer some of your questions today, and your tree now looks great. For more like this, take a look at bestchoiceproducts.com.